Thank you, Mr. Tolan. We're here at Egghead Laboratory, where a spectacular scientist had discovered a new element. Let's hear more. Hello, Professor.
Hello, welcome to my laboratory.
Tell us more about the element you discovered.
Well, it's quite simple, really. Okay, first you need a heating device. Real plastic, people, specialized. 2 yolk sacs. Now we take liquid dreams from a mother wolf. Next we take our product and put it in the specialized radioactive shelter. There you go, our finished omelet made from our fresh Omelettium.
My, that's quite a mouthful. Back to you, Mr. Tolan.